Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, Abandoned Places Around the World.
Unbelievable finds in drained canal. You won't believe what they found in Saint Martin's Canal, Paris. When Paris authorities decided to drain the Canal Saint-Martin for a routine cleanup, they had no idea they were about to uncover a treasure trove of bizarre, historic, and downright unbelievable items. As the water receded, the murky depths revealed secrets hidden for decades, maybe even centuries. Here's what they found. 1. Hundreds of bicycles and even a motorcycle. The canal is notorious for being a watery graveyard for stolen bikes, but no one expected to find over 400 bicycles, some rusted beyond recognition, others surprisingly intact. The biggest shock? A vintage motorcycle perfectly preserved in the mud. 2. A 19th century cannon. Buried in the sludge was an actual cannon from the 1800s. Historians believe it may have been dumped during the Paris Commune uprising in 1871 or lost during a botched transport. Either way, it's a chilling reminder of the city's turbulent past. 3. A safe full of mysteries. One of the most intriguing finds was a heavy, old-fashioned safe, its lock rusted shut. When authorities finally cracked it open, they found nothing. Was it emptied before being tossed? Or did someone retrieve its contents underwater? The mystery remains. 4. Dozens of guns and grenades. Paris police were stunned to recover multiple firearms, including several revolvers and even a few WWI-era grenades. Experts had to carefully detonate the live explosives, proof that the canal held more than just lost trinkets. 5. A Roman-era statue. Among the most baffling discoveries was a small carved stone head believed to date back to Roman times. How did it end up in a 19th century canal? Archaeologists suspect it was dredged up during earlier construction and accidentally dropped in. 6. Phones, jewelry, and a wedding ring. Dozens of smartphones, watches, and even a diamond wedding ring were found in the mud. Were they lost by clumsy pedestrians, or were some tossed in deliberately? One couple actually came forward to claim the ring thrown in during an argument years earlier. 7. A car? Yes, you read that right. Hidden under layers of sediment was the rusted shell of a 1970s Renault. Police suspect it was stolen and dumped decades ago, only to be forgotten until now. The biggest mystery? Despite all these finds, locals swear the canal still holds more secrets. From rumors of lost Nazi gold to missing artworks, who knows what else lies beneath? Would you dare to take a dive and find out? Would you believe what lurks beneath your city's waters? Let us know in the comments.